Hey, welcome to Flatbread Friday. Today I'm making one of my very favorite pizzas because I came across at the local market these beautiful sea scallops. And back in the day, my favorite pizza, and today too, is a scallop and bacon pizza. And I'm gonna change it up a little bit today and follow along and let's see what I do. The first thing we're gonna do is make a fun sauce that's based on cocktail sauce. And we're gonna start with a little regular tomato sauce. That should be plenty. And add a little bit of sweetness and tang to it. This sauce is based on cocktail sauce. I think I said that already. And some horseradish. I like a good amount. There it goes in. And now we're gonna squeeze in some lemon. Okay, in goes the lemon juice. Hold the hand up. Just in case there's any seeds left. I think I got them all, but who knows? You never know. And this is gonna be the juice of half a lemon because it's gonna be good and tangy and a little sweet. And it's gonna support these scallops very nicely. Stir this around and blend it well. And this is gonna be our cocktail pizza sauce. And most of you probably know this, but sea scallops have what they call a tough muscle, and you want to pull that off because it is tough. So we're gonna repeat this with all of our scallops, pull off our tough muscle. Sometimes you can't find one. Okay, we have our demuscleized scallops, and I'm gonna save some of these because these are more than I need for our pizza today, our flatbread. And so the rest of them I'm going to wrap in bacon and eat them. We're gonna cut these big guys into quarters so they are nice flatbread bite-sized pieces. Our scallops are ready to go on, cut into pieces. And the next thing we're gonna do is break up some bacon that I cooked. I got this from Misfits Market and it's delicious. And we're gonna just break it up into pieces, bite-sized to go with our scallops, and then we can build our flatbread. Bacon pieces are ready. Now it's time to go. Okay, we have our flatbread pizza crust, and we have our cocktail pizza sauce, and that is going on. And we're gonna spread that all around. Our sauce is on, and now it's time for some mozzarella. And we're gonna spread that all around nice. Cheese is on, and now it's time for our scallops, and we're gonna just distribute those around nice and evenly so you get one or two in each bite. Now it's time for our bacon pieces. Just scatter those all around. Our bacon is now on, and I'm just gonna finish this up, give it a nice little crust with some of that 4-cheese salad blend that I found. And I've been using that a lot, but I wanna use it up before it goes moldy on me, so that's what we're doing. And one piece right here. I want to kind of protect these scallops a little bit. So that's good. And a little sprinkle of chopped basil. I probably should have waited to the end to put that on, but here's what we look like. And we're going in the oven. 400 degrees, 425 degrees for about 20 minutes. Our scallop and bacon pizza is out of the oven. Very juicy because of those raw scallops and the juices they exuded, but it's still gonna be good. It smells amazing, seafoodish, bacony. And now we're gonna slice it and serve it up. Here we are on our plate. I'm gonna take you in for a different view. I don't think we even need to garnish this. It's so beautiful. You can see those scallops, that bacon. I already put the basil on it, so it's got a little color. And the plate is pretty, and now we're gonna eat it up. Happy Flatbread Friday. Thank you for joining me while we played with our seafood and our bacon and that sauce, the cocktail pizza sauce that I made. I've never done that before, and it really was fun. So when I make this pizza from now on, that's what I'm doing. You can look up the recipe on the website, and happy Flatbread Friday. I already said that, but see you again soon.